7 decimal 2 upon 0.729 cube root is equal to x raised to the power 3 upon 2 raised to the power 3. We have to find the value of x. So let's try. 7 decimal 2 upon 0.729, we have to remove the decimal first. So when we remove the decimal, we write 1 here and then count the digits after decimal. There are 3 digits after the decimal. So you write 3 zeros. So 0.729 is equal to 729 upon 1000 is equal to x cube upon 2 cube. Now 729 we can write it as 9 raised to the power 3 and 1000 as 10 raised to the power 3 under cube root is equal to x raised to the power 3 upon 2 raised to the power 3. Again, when a raised to the power m upon b raised to the power m, then we can write it as a upon b whole raised to the power m. So this we can write it as 7 decimal 2 upon 9 upon 10 whole raised to the power 3 under cube root. Now we can remove this cube root with this cube. So we have now 7 decimal 2 upon 9 upon 10. This means this 10 will go to the numerator. Why? Because 7 decimal 2 upon 9 by 10 means 7 decimal 2 divided by 9 upon 10, and when we convert division into multiplication, the number after that gets inverted. We have to write the reciprocal of 9 upon 10, so it becomes 10 upon 9. So whenever there is a fraction in the denominator of the fraction goes to the numerator. Now we can remove the decimal here, 7 decimal 2, 1, and there is 1 digit after decimal, so 10. Now you can cancel this 10 and this 10, and 9 times 8 is 72. 8 we can write it as 2 raised to the power 3, and let's multiply both the sides by 2 raised to the power 3. So this cube, 2 cube and this 2 cube gets cancelled. Now we have a raised to the power m times a raised to the power m. We can write it as a times a whole raised to the power m. So we can write it as 2 times 2 whole raised to the power 3 is equal to x raised to the power 3. So this is 4 raised to the power 3 is equal to x raised to the power 3. So that means x is equal to 4. We can verify the answer by substituting the value of x here. So 7 decimal 2, 0.729 is 729 upon 1000 under cube root is equal to 4 cube upon 2 cube, or 7 decimal 2 upon 729 is 9 cube and this is 10 cube under cube root is equal to 4 upon 2 whole cube, because a raised to the power m upon b raised to the power m, we can write it as a upon b whole raised to the power m. Now this here also we can write it as 9 upon 10 whole raised to the power 3, and we can remove this cube root with this cube. So this is now 7 decimal 2 upon 9. This 10 will go to the numerator. So 10 multiplied. Now you can remove this decimal. So upon 10, this 10 and this 10 gets cancelled. And 2 times 2 is 4. This is 2 raised to the power 3. 9 times 8 is 72. So 8 is 2 raised to the power 3. This side also 2 raised to the power 3. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Our answer is verified. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.